Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using scanner class in Java. So as part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program which intakes two numbers as input from you and then prints the sum of these two numbers as output. Now you can pause this video. Complete this assignment by writing the Java program which intakes two numbers and results in the sum of those two numbers. Fine. Now, assuming that you have completed writing the Java code by using this scanner class, taking the input of these two numbers and into the program and printing the sum of those two numbers as output of the program. Now I am going to demonstrate this. You can resume this video guys to see the solution that I have written. You can cross check your code with my code to see are we on the same page. If you are on the same page, you are good to go. Fine. So let me give you the solution by writing this Java program by myself. So I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE here. In one of the package, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as demo6. I'll auto generate this main method code. So inside this main method, I'm going to first create an object for the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Here, I'll write system.in. For intaking the input from the user, in the scanner constructor, we have to give system.in. Now hover the mouse on the scanner and select import scanner from java.util package. Once this particular scanner class got imported from this particular java.util package, next line, what you can write is, write a print statement saying enter number 1. Okay. Enter first number otherwise. Okay. Enter first number. And here I'll say scanner dot next int. Scanner dot next int. This will capture the or this will accept or intake the first number entered by the user while running the code. That captured number or intaken or accepted number will be, I would like to store into a variable. Enter a is equal to, I would like to store. Or you can say num1 also, not a problem. You can give any name for this variable, num1. After that, I'll write one more print statement asking the user to enter second number like this. Okay. Now int num2 is equal to scanner dot again next int. This will intake or accept the second number and store into this num2. Now what I want to do, I want to calculate the sum of these two numbers which are inputted by the user into this program. So I'll say int sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay. And now I would like to print the output. System.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. Sum of plus num1 and plus sorry. Here let me type plus concatenation operator num2 is plus sum. That's it. And finally, to overcome this warning message, I'll write scanner dot close. Scanner dot close. That's it. Now run this code to see whether this particular Java program is collecting two inputs, two numbers as input into the program. And after that, is it printing the output as a sum of these two numbers? So let's right click. Let me minimize this. Let me right click here and say run as Java application. Okay, enter first number it is asking. I'll be entering the first number as 5. Press enter. Now it is asking for second number. So I'll be entering 4 here. Again, when I press enter, what will happen? 5 and 4 will be accepted into number 1. 5 will be there into number 2. 4 will be there. 5 plus 4 is 9 will be stored into sum. And here this will be printed. When I press enter, you see sum of 5 and 4 is 9. We got the sum of these two inputted numbers into the program as output. That is 5 plus 4, which is 9, we got as an output. So this is how we need to write the Java program, okay, which intakes or accepts two numbers into the program from the user and prints the sum of these two numbers in the output like this. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.